Hi, I'm Sonia,
And I'm Tanya.
and this is
Cooking with
Commods.
Cooking with Commods. Cooking with Commods. Cooking with Commods.
Well, you want to tell them what we're fixing today?
This is one of our favorites. We have almost totally switched to chicken tacos.
Oh, definitely. It's a lot lighter.
This is just something that's really quick, easy, and you know what? I have yet to find a little kid that does not like chicken tacos.
Yep.
So, what we started with,
Okay. Canned chicken.
that's two 12 and a half ounce cans of chicken.
Okay. We placed it into a sieve or sieve, depending on which part of the country you're from. Our water was already boiling, so we were ready.
And why are we doing this? You want to tell them?
Okay, we're doing this to get rid of the grease that is often packed into the can with the meat. And this makes the chicken much lighter and, of course, much better for you.
And remember, the more you break it up, the further it goes. Because I don't know about any kids in your family, but all the ones I know, they will take a huge scoop if you let them. So,
Yep, they'll skip the rest of it and just put all meat. Okay.
so we had just an airtight container already, because actually what you probably want to do is to mix it all up ahead of time the night before. And then you can just get it all ready to go.
Now, we've got the spices.
We have a half a cup of chopped onions.
Okay.
And I know, she told me that looks more like a cup, but hey.
She loves onions. What can I say?
And these are the Vidalia onions. Now, that's just another tip I'd like to give you. Vidalia onions, you can only get them probably 1 month out of the year, and they're worth it. So if you can, pick some extra up, cut them up, freeze them. They taste so much better than just about any other kind of onion.
Okay.
All right. Then, what it calls for.
Okay.
And we have it all in the bowl just for easy measurement. It calls for chili powder, oregano, garlic powder, cumin, and paprika.
Each one is 1 teaspoon each.
Okay, so
And it's all measured in there,
there
so
we go.
now I'll just stir it up again.
So what you want to do, put the lid on, and really, like I said, it works better if you make it up ahead of time, make it up the night before, put the lid on, stick it in the refrigerator, and just let it seep, let all those flavors and spices just get all into the chicken. But what we're going to do, and what you do also while you're making the tacos, you go ahead and cook it for just 2-3 minutes in the microwave. So we had cheddar and mozzarella cheese.
Okay, and also a little tip. I noticed when we were microwaving the meat that we drained off a lot of the juice, actually most of it. So I added a little bit of the juice back to make it moist because it ended up looking a little dry once we microwaved it.
And you can't forget the sour cream, honest. I mean, it's not a taco unless you have sour cream on it.
And salsa.
All right.
There. Isn't that pretty? Dig in.
Okay. Chicken. Tacos.
You're so funny.
Now, you can call it a soft taco, you can call it a burrito, whatever you want. Burritos are usually cooked, so here goes.
It's squishing out the other end.
I'm telling you, that is a delicious taco. I love the crunch of the cabbage. The tomatoes are fresh, everything. This is our summer go-to. We love chicken tacos now. We're hooked on them. So, should we go ahead and go over the ingredients?
Let's do it.
Okay. You start.
2 12-ounce cans of chicken,
A half a cup of onion chopped,
1 teaspoon of chili powder,
1 teaspoon of oregano,
1 teaspoon of garlic powder,
1 teaspoon of cumin,
1 teaspoon of paprika,
5 cups of lettuce shredded. You might not need that much.
same thing, 5 cups of cabbage shredded, but do it however you like it.
1.5 cups of tomato diced,
5 ounces of cheddar cheese, and if you're like us, you're going to need more than that,
5 ounces of mozzarella cheese, shredded.
and 10 flour tortillas, the 7-inch size.
Salsa and sour cream.
Okay.
This
There we go.
was chicken tacos, and like I said, it's one of our favorites. I recommend you give it a shot. And because most of this stuff does come in your Commods, it's budget friendly, honest. So, chicken tacos, this has been.
Cooking with Commods.
See you next time.
Cooking